Hello and welcome to DiceyGuy. We are going today just to look at this box here. It is a 3D printed box that is made to me from my good friend Angry Panda. Alright, so we are going to look at it and just see how it is. So, as I understand this, it is a box set that are meant for Shadesphere or Underworld, Warhammer Underworld if you want. So we're going to try to fit everything in it that comes in the original box. So let's go. And let's just see if we can fit everything in there. It's going to be interesting to see how well everything is going to go into this. So I imagine glory points go here. And this go over here. Alright, so I've filled it up and it is approx 22 glory and damage tokens each, and 5 objective tokens plus extra scatter token. That is the room in this, and here it is how it looks when you have filled it. So it is for 1 player, 2 player game. It is not for like when you have 3 or more players. So you can see this is what you are left with after filling the box with tokens and stuff like that. But I think we have enough to play the game just as it is here. It is quite enough tokens I will reckon for a game. So, but it's really nice. If I can find the links to where you can find the 3D print file, I'll leave it behind down below. And if not, hey, try to seek it out yourself on Google or something. Anyways, I just wanted to show you what I have, and it's a really cool little box that is really good, and it's going to fit well in the box. I have been collecting the the dice because, you know, I'm DiceyGuy. But you can see in the starter box it is going to take up a little spot there, and you can have your miniatures here, and you have to do some rigging for your miniatures, of course. But yeah, I like it a lot. All right, thank you all for watching. Remember, subscribe, check out Patreon, stuff like that. That would be really nice. All right.